Alright, I just got this switch, so let's do an unboxing, and I'm going to show you a little bit of comparison with the other ones. So the only thing I don't like about Unify or Ubiquiti is that the box, it says nothing. So as you can see, no specs, no nothing. So you buy it and you cross your fingers and hopefully everything is good. The only thing that you see here is XG, 10 POE, and that's it. So if you're not a tech guy, most likely you are lost. The only thing that you have here is the serial number that you see in the box. So I took it out of the box so that way we can make it faster. Basically, it comes with the packaging that you see here, and then we have the switch. So as you can see here, looks very nice. I'm going to show you some comparison with the other switches, but I'm going to change the camera so the way you can see it. So the good thing here, you have 10 ports, and they are POE, as you can see here, and you have the vents, you know, they are here on this area, and that's it. And you have the screen is a touch screen, so that way you can see the ports that are live, data transfer, IP to manage this, and you can see a few other things. Here, something, this switch is different than the other ones. Here you have the huge 4 fans, and here you have the locking mechanism. I like it, you know, for the cord, so that way the cord will not come and lose, you know, loose by itself. And in the other side, you can remove this, and you have the connector for the battery. So if you want to have a battery backup, this is a good thing. Now I'm going to show you another one that I have. Here is another Ubiquiti, and as you can see, I have more ports. And here we have the screen. Here we have the reset. I forgot to mention that. And if you see here, both they have the vent are in the front. The only thing here in the back with the other one, the vents are so small. You know, if you compare it with the other one, so these are way bigger. This is POE, and this I think is only. I made a video about this. I think this is only a gigabit, and that's it. Now I'm going to take this out, and I'm going to show you a regular one. So as you can see here, we have the regular one. Usually they don't have any vent here, and all the vents are on the side, and this is terrible. I don't like this product. This is a generic one, and the fans are full speed all the time. It's very annoying. So other than that, this is a nice switch as well. So that is why I'm going to retire it, and I'm going to keep. I'm going to use this one. So with this one, the good thing about this is you have the LED lights in the front, and and in the beginning is noisy, but after a few minutes it will become quiet. So I'll turn it on. I'm going to plug this in because it's going to take at least 2 minutes to boot up. Once you do that, you can move this so that way you can. Okay, now it's working. So you do this, and now it's locked, secure. In the beginning, you don't hear anything, and you have the time, as you can see here, and it says remaining 2 minutes, and you will see this going on the left on the side, and that's it. So this looks like the Knight Rider, you know. I think it was a TV show from the 80s, and that's it. So here I'll show you meanwhile. This is booting up. So it comes with this box, as you can see. It comes with the power cord, and something that we have here that is like very premium. Something that you see here, for instance, it comes with the legs, you know, the rubber feet, Here the screws. So this looks like Apple, so very nice. And this is for the rack and everything. So, and here it comes with the ears. So I'm going to put the ears later. And a rubber band. And as you can see now, it's not making any more noise. The fan went down. So here, I think some instructions, and that's it. So as you can see here, we can at least, as far as I can tell, you can change the brightness, but you cannot change the fan speed. You can change it maybe for a few seconds, and it will go back. So I don't like that. Other than that, you see, it works. I'm going to build this out. I think with this, the screen doesn't work that well. I want to change the speed. Okay, you see, just for a few seconds, that's it, and then it goes back to quiet. So I like that. Other than that, you can restart it. You can see the IP just in case if you want to access it. If you want to see the data transfer, if you want to see the IP. And what else? I think you can see the status. The version of the firmware. So here you press there you go, you can see everything here. So, and you can see the uptime, as you can see, 2 minutes. So this is going to stay on for years and years and years, and that's it. So I'm going to plug this in. Hopefully you have enjoyed this class. If you want to keep learning, go to my playlist with the computer and you will see all my classes. And if you have any question, please let me know in the section below. And if you want to buy it, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. Otherwise, if you cannot get one of these, just let me know. I am in US, I can ship it to you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.